Welcome to Beautyistic. Are your nails feeling weak or brittle? If so, you might be looking for something to help restore their strength. Today, we're talking about a product that promises to be a game changer for damaged nails: the LONDONTOWN Get Strong Nail Hardener and Blue Glass Nail File Duo. This duo claims to not only strengthen nails, but also promote healthy nail growth. LONDONTOWN is a brand that's become known for its luxurious nail care products, and this set is no exception. You get the nail hardener along with a blue glass nail file, two items designed to work together to support your nails in their recovery process. Let's break it down a bit. The LONDONTOWN Get Strong Nail Hardener comes in a 0.4 fel-ounce bottle. It's formulated to provide intense strengthening benefits, which is great news for those dealing with damaged brittle nails. The nail hardener is a liquid that's easy to apply, and the formulation focuses on giving your nails the strength they need without being overly harsh or irritating. The star ingredient? Probably the nourishing botanicals, which the brand is known for. I didn't find it to be sticky or difficult to work with. The application process was simple, and the drying time is relatively quick. Then there's the blue glass nail file that comes with the set. It's not your ordinary file either. Glass nail files are often preferred over traditional emery boards because they're gentler on the nails and less likely to cause splits or tears. This particular one has two sides, one finer, one coarser, which allows you to file and shape your nails without causing too much friction. Plus, it's reusable, making it a more sustainable option. In my real-world testing, I was able to incorporate this duo into my routine without any issues. The nail hardener, after about a week of consistent use, made my nails feel noticeably stronger. I used the glass file in combination with the treatment, and I'll admit, the experience felt a bit more luxurious than regular files. I like that the file doesn't scratch or create rough edges, and my nails felt smoother afterward. Now let's talk pros and cons. Starting with the pros. The strength and nourishment the nail hardener provides is noticeable. If your nails are in need of a recovery plan, this duo offers a solid starting point. I also appreciate that the glass file is reusable, which adds value over time. It's gentle on the nails, making it a great tool for anyone who's tired of those rough, disposable files. On the downside, the price might be a sticking point for some. At 0.4 fel-ounce, the hardener might not last long if you're using it daily or on severely damaged nails. However, given its effectiveness, the cost could be justified if you're seeking long-term improvement in nail health. The file is excellent, but some might prefer a larger size or feel it's not necessary if they already own a similar product. As for value for money, I'd say it's fair. You're paying for quality here, especially when you consider the performance of the nail hardener and the eco-friendly blue glass file. If you're looking to strengthen your nails over time, this set is worth considering. However, if you're on a budget or need something for more immediate results, there are more affordable options out there, but they may not offer the same quality ingredients or design. When comparing to other nail strengthening treatments, there are a few other options in the market, but many don't offer a duo like this. The glass file is a unique addition that elevates the overall experience. Some other treatments focus solely on strengthening, but lack the supplementary tools to maintain nail health, so this is an advantage. Speaking of the build quality, I have to commend the blue glass file. It's durable and feels solid in your hand. The packaging for the nail hardener is also sleek, but nothing too extravagant. It's a functional product that doesn't waste space on unnecessary frills. Customer support? I haven't needed to reach out to LONDONTOWN's team, but based on my knowledge of the brand, they have a reputation for solid customer service, addressing inquiries and concerns promptly. Lastly, let's talk about alternatives. If you find this set a little too pricey, brands like OPI or Sally Hansen have similar nail strengthening treatments that are a bit more budget-friendly. However, the inclusion of the glass nail file here is a big plus for LONDONTOWN, so that's a feature to keep in mind. In conclusion, the LONDONTOWN Get Strong Nail Hardener and Blue Glass Nail File Duo is an excellent choice for anyone serious about repairing and strengthening their nails. The combination of a high-quality treatment and an eco-friendly file makes it stand out in the market. While it may be a little on the pricier side, It offers real results for those looking to invest in their nail health. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts if you've used this product. Drop a comment below and let us know if it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.